Hello there, welcome to News Updates right here on ATU TV. My name is Bright Boache. Coming up, Accra Technical University Student Representative Council has taken key steps to begin the work of the 68th SRC administration. Also, the Faculty of Engineering at Accra Technical University holds first General Assembly meeting of the first semester. We have details of these stories and more coming up shortly. Do stay with us. Now the details. Accra Technical University Student Representative Council has taken key steps to begin the work of the 68th SRC administration. The SRC earlier announced the first sitting of the first session of the 68th General Assembly. The meeting took place on Monday, December 15, 2025 at the ATU auditorium. Members of the Assembly and invited observers attended as issues on student welfare and governance were discussed. After the meeting, the SRC released another communique to announce the appointment of other officers of the Council in line with the SRC Constitution. During the General Assembly meeting, the SRC President, His Excellency Apia Boatin Meshach, addressed members of the Assembly and newly appointed officers. He described the appointment as a call to duty and not for personal gain. He urged members to focus on institutions building, transparency, and accountability. He also called for unity, maturity, and student-centered leadership as the administration begins its work.
SRC to help deliver and share vision. To those who were appointed today, understand this clearly. This is not an opportunity for personal glory. No, but a call to duty. We must build systems, not egos. We must strengthen institutions, not weaken future administrations. No, our actions today should empower tomorrow, not dent it. This administration is not committed to transparency and accountability, student-centered advocacy, constructive engagement with management, and policies that leave an indelible impact on student life. I urge members of this General Assembly to approach today's deliberations with objectivity, unity, and maturity. Debate issues, but always in the interest of the student body we represent. Let us remember that history will not judge us by how loudly we spoke.
Those were the words of the SRC President, His Excellency Apia Boatin Meshach, speaking at the 68th General Assembly of Accra Technical University. According to the SRC President, the officers have assumed duty with immediate effect and will work with the SRC executives to promote transparency, accountability, and student welfare. Away from that, the Faculty of Engineering at Accra Technical University has held its first General Assembly meeting for the semester. The meeting took place on Wednesday, December 17, 2025 at the Multimedia Lab and was organized by the Technical University Engineering Student Association of Ghana, TUSAG. The TUSAG President, His Excellency Safu Oduro Godfrey, chaired the meeting. And during the session, members of the General Assembly, departmental executives, and committee members were sworn in. The Financial Committee and the Coordinating Committee were also inaugurated. The SRC Electoral Commissioner for the 2024-2025 academic year, Honorable Vincent Amate, addressed the gathering. He urged the newly sworn-in executives to work closely with the TUSAG leaders. He stressed unity, cooperation, transparency, and accountability. The meeting marked the official start of General Assembly and committee work for the new TUSAG administration at Accra Technical University. The Procurement and Supply Students Association of Ghana, PASAG, at Accra Technical University held its first council meeting to swear in new executives. The meeting took place on Friday, December 12, 2025 at the Computer Science Department. In an interview with the Procurement Officer, Edward Afihine outlined the agenda for the council meeting.
Council meeting, that's Procurement and Supply Chain Management. So today, our agenda was not that long. We had our first council meeting today on campus, and the first agenda was to swear in council members. That's the council members comprises of the execom, that's the executive committee, the various committees we have. That's the welfare committee, home committee, the financial committee, then also the ex officials, the alumni. So we have them, and also we rectify the speaker. We had a speaker. You have to get a speaker for our council. So we did that. Ratification of the speaker also happened, and we accepted him to be our speaker. Then also we had the executive members also being sworn in. Then also we had um, the state of the PASAC address by the president and his fellow executives. And from there, we also deliberate on certain issues that's going to help.
Meeting. The association swore in the newly elected executives, the speaker, and committee members. After the session, the president, Samuel Ikwe, announced plans for an industrial trip, academic seminars, and social activities aimed at student development and unity.
Right now, we are planning industrial trips for our department. You know, on our field of study, we need to have hand-on skills that will equip us with what we are learning. You know, the practical aspects, talking about the theory, we have to have the practical aspect on hands to equip us. So we're having industrial trip as well, and then we'll be having seminars. You know, we are in the university. Seminars like abuse of contraceptives, you know, mental health is also going to be conducted as well. So we have a whole lot, and as all of this, we are going to have fun trip that, you know, to ease yourself. You know, as there's a saying that all work and no play make Jacks of a dull boy. We're going to have fun trip that we're going to entertain the students, and then.
The meeting marked the start of a new administrative term for PASAG at Accra Technical University. Moving on, Accra Technical University has announced its Christmas break for the 2025 academic year. The break will begin on Friday, December 19, 2025, at the close of work, with academic and administrative activities resuming on Monday, January 5th. University management stated that all offices, departments, and services will remain closed during the break period. However, weekend and graduate school lectures will continue on Saturday and Sunday, December 20th and 21st, 2025. The notice came from the Office of the Registrar and was signed by the Deputy Registrar and Director of Public Affairs, Foster Kilian Ghana. And that's all we have for you on news updates right here on ATU TV. My name is Bright Watch, and thank you so much for joining us on today's news.